Hello, grade 10 Civics. This is your first unit intro video. For every unit, I will be putting your the intro video right here on this left side underneath your copy of your unit guide, so that you can review the video and know how to do your unit. So basically, what I do every time is I'm going to be opening up the unit guide. I'm going to take you through the unit guide, show you what the assignments are, and let you know how we're going to get through these units. Welcome to Civics. First unit is on citizenship. We're basically going to be discussing concepts around, what is government, what is our role in government, and what does it mean to be a citizen of Canada, a citizen of Ontario, a citizen of Toronto. So the unit starts basically kind of takes us through the learning expectations, and then there are some questions. So there's a whack of questions. There's a section 2 through 9. 12 through pages 12 through 19, and then some more questions on pages 20 through 28. All of those questions can be found right here. If you open these up, these are basically scans of the textbook where you can do those readings at home if you need to. So you do not need a textbook. Okay, so those are all of those. This is a video that we're going to watch in class. If you miss it, it's a very good video that kind of compares computer hacking to being a citizen, which is kind of neat. We're going to be discussing this video a little bit more in class. So if you don't understand the connection when you watch it, that's okay. Either come talk to me about it or talk to some of the other students that participated in the discussion during class. This is a copy of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms, which you will be needing to do for this part of the assignment right here when it asks you to look at this charts in Canadian Charter of Freedoms. So the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms, this is it. And it basically gives us all certain rights. You can read through that when answering that question. Okay, so that's where that is. Finish answering your questions. Then in class, we're going to do these definitions together right here. We'll be doing an activity in our first civics class where we come up with these definitions, and I would highly recommend that you write these in on your own words. Do not just Wikipedia or Google these and write in some definition that you don't understand. Put in a definition in your own words, and I will give you marks for them. Okay, if they're adequate, if they meet what this definition really is. Okay, then this is a basically an assignment where you can choose any kind of format you want. You can draw me a cartoon. You can write me a paper. You can use these ideas. You can do whatever it is you want to do as long as you run the idea by me, or you do one of these ideas. And this is basically just kind of different ways that we can be citizens. So different ways that we participate, we challenge, we help create our government and the organizations that we belong to. So the country of Canada is not just a physical location. It's a group of people that are organized in a certain way. The province of Ontario is not just a location. It's a group of people that are organized in a certain way. The city of Toronto, not just a place. It's an organization, people assembled in a certain way. What is our contribution to that group of people? What role do we play in that group of people, and how do we do that? So you can read each one of these, but I'm happy with any format as long as we've discussed it, unless it's on this list. If it's on this list, just do what it asks you to do and submit that. Okay? And that's pretty much Unit 1. So get to class. We should be able to finish this unit up fairly quickly.